Hello everyone. Here we are on a Sunday morning, the 30th of August 2020. It is about 11 o'clock in the morning and we're flying around the new drone project today. We're out on Wilson Avenue. The weather is pretty nice, sunny, temperature about 72 and a little breezy. There's a construction project out on Wilson Avenue at Ryan's Steakhouse. It's either being remodeled or demolished, I'm not sure what. But anyhow, we're making a trip around there just to keep an eye on things. You can see construction debris laying all around. So we'll get back to it later. Have a good day everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.